I'll be like Carl Vilus. I just said from Terra Francisco. He talks about the flood control, about the Iligan City. What's really happened is, but the time I will never talk about politics. I apologize to everyone. I will never talk about politics. I said I have to be non-political. Why? I have to be non-political. Of course, you know that Kuya Bear said to me the time. Um, like he warned Paulo Cruzada, he has to be non-political. Oh, why we say non-political? Of course, J. Rick Silva says it's non-political. Oh, you know that. But this is a lesson to Kuya Danmar Dayaw. Kuya Danmar, with all due respect, um, do not post about political. Remember that, like, you remember about Bongbong Marcos, Sara Duterte. It's just their fight. Away nila yon. I say to Kuya Dan Mardaya, with all due respect, Miggy Labitag said so. Uh, just tell him to shut up. Oh, Miggy was right. Oh, Kuya Dan Mardayaw, with all due respect, you need to shut up. Oh, you do not talk about politics. And first of all, do not use Kuya Rodelio Daguman to politicalize against Cedric Mariano. Oh, if Cedric is non-partisan, if he's neutral, like Kuya Ver or me, even the others, we have to be neutral. Kuya Danmar, you don't know what you're understanding. Ah, that is called misunderstanding. Remember, that time, Nanay Ningning said, so, you should resume about politics since the time. Look at in Germany, if they're prohibiting politics, Germany is a good governance. No corruption. Because here in the Philippines, when there is corruption, like I said to you, Kuya Danmar, I know we are special. I know you're an ally with Paulo Cruzada, or you're just wonder, you say you're going to be side with Paulo Cruzada and the Marcos loyalists. Kuya Danmar, tama na mga politics. You know, if you will get you in trouble, we have to be non-political. Like I said, non-political. Okay, let's move on about Danmar. Even I say to everyone, even even to anybody, like I said, even Sangkay Janjan, do not force anybody to make fake accounts. Kuya Rodelio Daguman is also non-partisan. Ha? It's always to be non-partisan. Let's say we should not talk about politics. Just like I said, this is the lesson for Kuya Dan Mardayaw, Sangkay Janjan, and Romeo TV Vlog. Even the Marcos loyalist bloggers, please stop this politicalize. Remember that me and Nanay Net, we know about politics. I'm just like political science. I learn about political science. I'm like Attorney Wu. It's just politics. For me, like I said before, Kuya Rodelio Daguman is not related to politics. Kuya Rodelio is the focus only his family and his friends. It's about his family. being as a good person, I say to you, Kuya Danmar, you know, the time when I was told by Terra Francisco, just stop about related politics. But kay you tumigil na bitag for reprimanding Kuya Danmar Dayaw. Oh, for saying him not to related to politics. Just do not politicalize Rodelio. If you don't want to talk to Rodelio, then don't talk to him. Don't entertain him. You know, that time when Ninang Bebe was there, or Marisol Gabag says to me, my Ninang Bebe says to me, Rodelio is not related to politics. Oh, Rodelio is related only his family. I respect Kuya Rodelio. If he is my enemy, he's not my enemy. Oh, do not label Kuya Rodelio that he attacked Cedric to criticize his art. That's false accusation. You know that me, I never want to do that to Teacher May, or I never want to do that to Teacher Jessa. Oh, that is the false accusations. But for me, I ask to everyone I just want to say to Sangkay Janjan, Kuya Dan Mardayaw, Romeo TV Vlog, Nino Bersaga. Oh, do not related to politics. Just like I said, me, I'm not related to politics in Facebook. Oh, I always read. Oh, nothing to related at. I always to be non-partisan. I don't want to talk about politics. Oh, you know, if you watch Batang Quiapo, when you say from Coco Martin, if we finish the job, we can focus the job. Trabaho lang or trabaho, or like what he said, if you choose your job, it's just a job. Oh, he doesn't relate it to politics. Coco Martin was angry at the flood control ghost project. Just to know, when I talked to Jerick Silva, he was angry at corruption. But it's a fiction from Batang Quiapo into the real life. When I watch Batang Quiapo, oh, comparison like Kiko Barsaga as Tanggol, oh, Bongbong Marcos is Roberto Guerrero, oh, if you see like the Guerreros and Montenegro, oh, you see James Deakin is like Ramon Montenegro, oh, if you see in the Batang Quiapo, like for example, Nino Bersaga is compared like Rigor Dimagiba, who's saying a bad words. Oh, when you say the words that what we have to say, it is not right thing to make politics. You know, this is the lesson to everybody. Do not relate it to politics. Just wait for election in 2028. You know, Terra Francisco says to me, by 2 years, there will be a political. Oh, me, I learned about political science. I used to play book of Attorney Wu. Oh, you just remember that. This is the lesson to Paulo Cruzada, Sangkay Janjan, Nino Bersaga, Romeo TV Vlog. Oh, and even not even just that. Oh, this is the lesson to everybody, including Danmar or Kuya Danmar. Do not relate it to politics. If I were you, Kuya Danmar, don't post about Bongbong Marcos anymore. Post about the Beatles. It's okay. You talk about Beatles. When I heard that from Alfred Islabra, oh, do not talk about the politics. And even Kuya Rodelio the Guman, It's just a pass. J-Rick is right. It's just a pass. Rodelio, Kuya Rodelio Daguman is not related to politics. He's a cerebral palsy. He has no connection of politics. As I was told by his brother Robin said to me, yang si Rodelio Daguman, wala pong di po yan related sa politics. I asked Kuya Dan Mardayaw, just stop with the politicalize. It's really hurt to anybody. Like I said, nakakahiya na to. Like I said, puro kakahiyaan. Puro ng away. Like, it's just like a debating. I asked Kuya Danmar, do not bully Rodelio. If Rodelio made a mistake, just forgive him. My ninang, my ninang Bebe says to me, I forgive Rodelio Daguman. Just nobody to bully Rodelio. Like I say to those Marcos loyalists, even who are fake Filipinos, including Sangkay Janjan, Romeo TV Vlog, Nino Barsaga, and the other people who were followers of Cedric Mariano. I asked them, wag mo kasi sila husgain si Rodelio. Do not attack Rodelio, because if you attack Rodelio Daguman, if you attack your friends, what will you realize? That Rodelio will get angry, he will get affected from his job. I've been contacted, I've been called that in the telephone in the Muntinlupa City Hall. I talked with the secretary. Sir Rodelio Daguman is busy in work. We should not do that to Rodelio. Rodelio, anyway, that was a friend of Juris Patrick Opesha. If Rodelio Daguman is anti-Marcos, if Kuya Rodelio is anti-Marcos, just let him be. Pabayaan na lang. Let him be. Just like Teacher May, she is anti-Marcos. All of you should let her be. If I'm a good person anyway, to everybody, let Kuya Rodelio Daguman be. Do not harass Rodelio. Rodelio is a cerebral palsy. Look at him. His mother had passed away. He was affected by cyberbullying. What he realized, he was upset. He was upset. I asked Cedric Mariano and Kuya Dan Mardayaw, please, both of you, just stop bashing Kuya Rodelio. Alright? It's really offended. Even Sangkay Janjan, Paulo Cruzada, Romeo TV Vlog, Nino Barsaga. All of you should stop bashing Rodelio. Have mercy to that cerebral palsy. Me, I respect cerebral palsy like Lawrence Villawan, Paula Colin Nunez. Me and Lawrence Villawan, we're talking about politics. Lawrence and I, we talk about computer. Oh, he has computer games, so he's a good gamer, like JD Biniegas and Chris Soreta. We talk about computer games. And then we talk about me and Apollo Sanchez, we talk about politics. Oh, me and Denzel Joshua, we talk the the nephew of Teacher May, Rafael, was graduated in Ateneo. Oh, that's always to talk about. Teacher May, we talk about to Denzel. She's my former teacher. Oh, the time I was in CDIFI. Me and Apollo Sanchez, we talk about politics in Messenger. And me and Lawrence Villawan, we talk about uh, computer games. Oh, if I were saying to all of you, talk about computer games. Talk about uh, what's the games anyway that you're looking at. Oh, talk about games, not anything. Oh, but thanks to Mommy Ellen Olea, oh, that she's anti-Marcos, or she talks about Rodrigo Duterte legacy, oh, Mommy Ellen is neutral. Compare like Kuya Ver, oh, Kuya Ver is pro-Filipino. We have to be neutral. Like I say to all of you, oh, all of you, be neutral. Like for Cedric and Danmar, be neutral. Don't talk about politics to Rodelio. Kuya Rodelio, he's not interested in politics. But me and Manuel Luis Antonio, we always talk about politics. Even Carl Villos, even um, even Nanay Net, including Apollo Sanchez, even my other friends, we talk about politics, who were my Duterte followers or bloggers in TikTok Live. I don't talk about politics to non-political or non-partisan. Remember, remember, Kuya Rodelio Daguman is just like Teacher May. He's non-partisan. We have to be non-partisan. Like I said, as for example, Teacher Jessa is not posting about politics in Facebook. She is non-political. Why? She's non-partisan. Oh, she's just like Kuya Bear, neutral. And even to everyone, we have to be neutral. If you remember EDSA People Power Revolution, be neutral. Oh, be a non-partisan. And don't talk about politics to Rodelio. Kuya Rodelio, he doesn't insult Cedric Mariano. He doesn't do anything to him. Oh, let us, if we say that Kuya Rodelio is anti-Marcos, what's the point? What's the problem? Ano bang ginagawa ni Rodelio? Like I said, let him be focus on his drawing and talent, or like I said, drawing or talent, it's a better. Rodelio is making singing contests like Sir William Ducut, Cedric Mariano is focusing on drawing, we can do like a talent. Nobody talks about politics. Just like I said, nobody. At least if everyone say politics, do not talk about politics. At least Cedric has understand with J-Rick. before when he said to him, dapat mag-neutral tayo, neutral. We have to be neutral, we have to be non-partisan. Oh, as I'm a political blogger, analyst, and even content creator, I'm making lots of content in YouTube. Don't make about politics. You know, Nanay Ningning said so. I say to Kuya Danmar, no politics. Oh, you're posting about politics. You're criticizing Kuya Rodelio. If it's not good. Kuya Rodelio is not related to politics. I say again, we have to be neutral.